Some mornings I just literally start my day off with junk food, and of course here in Japan I prefer Domino's pizza instead of Pizza Hut. I think it's a lot better. So for breakfast I got some Caesar salad, buffalo wings, and medium-sized pizza. So we have some breadcrumbs and whatever this be, and some sauce. Maybe it's cheese. Yeah, it's cheese. And it's raining outside as well, else probably I wouldn't have been so lazy and went down to the convenience store to buy something to eat. I don't feel like making any breakfast. One of my lazy days. Well, my pizza doesn't really have a lot of green pepper, sweet pepper, but I got some pineapple as extra toppings, and here in Japan they actually like to put on mushrooms as well. So this is a mushroom, yeah, and this one is the rolled one with the cheese. I like this one, and it's not very thin, and my buffalo wings to top it off. So this is my breakfast for today. Yeah, some vegetables to be healthy, keep healthy, you know. But this is my breakfast.